Welcome to Space Quiz Universe. Ready to test your space knowledge? 5 seconds to choose your answer. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which planet is the largest in our solar system? Jupiter. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What is the center of our solar system? Sun. Which planet is often referred to as the ice giant? Uranus. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Saturn. Which planet is named after the Roman god of the sea? Neptune. Which planet is often referred to as Earth's sister planet? Venus. Drop your score in the comment challenge. Your friends to a space quiz contest. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more planet quiz.